Hi there.
Have you ever thought, I can understand English, but I can't speak it well? You're not alone. Many people feel the same. Today, let me tell you a little story that can help. Once, there was a man named Adam. Adam loved listening to English podcasts and watching English movies. He understood almost everything, but when he tried to speak, he felt shy. Words got stuck and he didn't know what to say. One day, Adam met his friend Sarah. Sarah spoke English very well. Adam asked, "How did you learn to speak so easily?" Sarah smiled and said, "I used to be like you. I understood English, but couldn't speak. Then I started practicing every day. I talked to myself. I repeated sentences, and I wasn't afraid to make mistakes." Adam thought, maybe I should try this too. So he started speaking a little every day. First, he described his day. Then he talked about his favorite movies. Slowly, he felt more confident. After a few months, Adam was speaking better. He learned that understanding is the first step, but speaking needs practice, like learning to ride a bike. So, if you understand English but can't speak, don't worry. Start small. Speak every day, even to yourself. Don't be afraid of mistakes. They help you learn. Remember, every great speaker started with just one word. So, keep going. If you found this story helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with others who want to speak English confidently.
Thank you for watching.